Good evening, students. We will learn some parts of geometrical figure, which is first of all plane. So what is a plane? Plane in day-to-day life also we use this word plane. So this which I am touching, this is plane. This is a plane. So a flat surface is called plane. You can see here I have drawn this diagram. So this portion is also a plane by figure. This surface is also our wall, tabletop. This all are the plane. So definition you can see from book. Definition of plane is a flat surface is called plane which extend in all directions. Next is collinear points. This is a new word for you. Collinear points means when three or more points which lie on the same line. What things should be there? Minimum 3 points should be there on one line, and you can see here 1, 2, 3. These all are in one line. So these points will be called collinear points. Now you see these two. Can we say these two are collinear points? No, because minimum how many should be there? 3. 3 or more. Now it is collinear points. 4, yes, these all 4 are collinear points. So what is the example of collinear points? Your button of shirts. This is the collinear points. And many so examples you can see here. Sometimes you can see if the holes are in one line, that you can say this collinear points. So you try to search and write the example of collinear points from your surround. Next is intersecting line. So intersecting line means two lines are called intersecting if they cut each other. Whenever they cut each other means intersecting. You see this. This is also intersecting line because when we will extend they will cut. And these two, these are not intersecting line because when you will draw these two they will not intersect. So this is not intersecting line. So this is the intersecting line. Parallel line. Two lines when you see these two fingers. These are when we will extend then also they do not cut. So these two are not intersecting line. These are parallel line. So two lines are called either intersecting or parallel. If they cut each other then intersecting. They don't cut then this is called parallel line. Last is concurrent lines. Concurrent lines means when they two lines meet, this is called intersecting. When these two lines meet at one point, this is called intersecting. But on the same place when another also meet, means when 3 or more than 3 lines meet at same point, then these are called concurrent line. You can see here 4 also they can meet, many also possible. So what is this is the example of concurrent lines. This is also example of concurrent lines. And this is the example of intersecting line. This is the example of parallel line. And this is the figure of surface. So these are the figure of these different topics. So your homework is you note down this all 4 topics are there today. One is plane, these 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 topics are there. Note down in your fair notebook and with the definitions, all definitions given in your textbook. And after writing with figure, write their example from your day-to-day life. So this is your today's homework. Note down all definition, learn it and note down in your fair copy. Okay.